Exercise 5.5, problem 18, discussion. Find the equation of the straight line segment whose endpoints are the point of intersection of the straight lines 2x minus 3y plus 4 equal to 0 and x minus 2y plus 3 equal to 0 on one side, and the midpoint of the line joining the points 3 minus 2 and minus 5, 8. Okay, it's a very long problem. So we are asked to find the equation of the straight line whose endpoints are the point of intersection of these two lines. Okay, and the other point is the midpoint of these 2 points. Okay, so these are the 2 points. Once you know 2 points, then it is basically using the 2-point form of the straight line to get the required equation. You got it? So let's list out. So there are the equation of 2 straight lines is given and 2 points are given. So from these 2 we can get 1 point of intersection, and from these 2 the midpoint of this is another point. So these are the 2 points with which we will have to calculate the equation of the straight line. We have to find the equation of the straight line. The formula, we will have to use the midpoint formula, and we will have to use the 2-point form. Okay, y minus y1 divided by y minus y1 minus y2 equal to x minus x1 divided by x1 minus x2. So what will be the step 1? So let P be the point of intersection of these 2 lines and M be the midpoint of 3 minus 2 and minus 5, 8. So the required line will be PM, right? So one point is this and one point is the midpoint of these 2. So the line will be PM, right? Step 2. Solve these 2 equations and get the point of intersection, which is P, right? Third step. Substitute the points 3 minus 2 and minus 5, 8 in the midpoint formula and get the midpoint M. Now you already found point P, and this step 3 gives you point M, which means using these 2 points P and M in the 2-point form, you will be able to get the equation of the straight line. Okay, so let me repeat. So let's assume the point of intersection be P and the midpoint of these 2 points is M. So we need to find the equation of PM. Solve these 2 equations, get the point P, find the midpoint of these 2 points and get the point M. Using point P and point M in the 2-point form, get the equation of the straight line. Okay, so what I suggest is pause the video here and try to work this problem on your own, and on completion please come back and check your working against our solution. Okay, now here I've got the figure for you. So these are the 2 lines, they intersect at point P, and these are the 2 points, M is the midpoint, and the required line is PM. So first step is solve these 2 equations to get the point P. So one equation is 2x minus 3y plus 4 equal to 0. So that's equal to minus 4. Let's write it this way, right? X minus 2y will be equal to minus 3. So equation 2 into 2 will get us 2x minus 4y minus 6, equal to minus 6. So then equation 1 minus equation 3 will cancel off x. 2x minus 2x will become 0. Then this will be minus 3y minus of minus 4y, that will become plus 4y, will be equal to minus 4 minus of minus, so plus 6, minus 4 plus 6, right? Minus 3y plus 4y is y equal to 6 minus 4, that is 2. So this is the value of y. Now substitute y in any of these equations. Here we are substituting it equation 2. We will get x minus 2y. So x minus 2 into 2 equal to minus 3. So x minus 4 equal to minus 3, or x will be equal to 4 when it goes other side becomes 4 minus 3, that is 1. So x equal to 1 and y equal to 2. So this is the point P. Now next step is we have to use the midpoint formula on these 2 points and calculate M. So midpoint of the 2 points is given by this formula x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So midpoint of these 2 points will be 3 minus 5 divided by 2 minus 2 plus 8 divided by 2. So this will be minus 2 divided by 2, that is minus 1, and this will be minus 2 plus 8 divided by 2, that will be 6 by 2, that is 3. Now see, you have point M as well as point P. So equation of the straight line joining 2 points is given by the 2-point form. Y minus y1 divided by y1 minus y2 equal to x minus x1 divided by x1 minus x2. So what are the 2 points? The 2 points are 1, 2 and minus 1, 3. We'll go back and see. Point P is 1, 2. And point M is, we just calculated as minus 1 and 3. So these are the 2 points. Using the midpoint formula, using the 2-point form, we can calculate the equation of the straight line. So y minus 2, okay, y minus y1, right? So divided by y1 minus y2, that is, this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. So y minus y1 divided by y1 minus y2, that is 2 minus 3, will be equal to x minus x1, that is 1 here, divided by x1 minus x2, that is 1 minus of minus 1, that will become 1 plus 1. Right, so y minus 2 divided by minus 1 will be x minus 1 divided by 2. So when you cross multiply, this will become 2 into y minus 2, and this will be minus 1 into x minus 1. So you simplify, this will be 2y minus 4, this will be minus x plus 1. Right, so you bring this x this side, so it will be x plus 2y and minus 1 also this side, so minus 4 minus 1. So that will become minus 5. So x plus 2y minus 5 equal to 0 is the equation of the required line. Okay. Let me just recap it. So you have two equations. We'll solve these two equations and get the point P. You find the midpoint of these 2 points, that is M. Then you have 2 points for this equation. Use the 2-point form and get the equation of the straight line. Okay, so this is how this problem needs to be worked out. I hope I made this problem clear for you. If not, please go through this video one more time. It will become clear. Thanks for watching this video.